Introducing the next truck, every other truck will start chasing. The Ram Revolution. A concept born from our obsession with creating a truck that's more productive, more intuitive, and more powerful than any truck we've ever built. It's how we've been thinking since 2009, pushing the boundaries and making the most powerful, most advanced trucks for real truck drivers. Everything we do from this point forward will come from this moment, this concept, this redefinition of what a truck can be. The truck industry is due for a revolution, and it makes sense that Ram would lead it.
We made some bold decisions when we brought our new Ram 1500 to market that really redefined what a pickup truck can be. We have come a long way in a very short period of time. We are on the precipice of something great. The Ram Revolution concept truck is everything that our customers have come to love from Ram. Imagine that electrified. It is really a glimpse into the future of the brand.
The number one thing is that first impression. You're looking for that punch between the eyes, a product that makes you really think about it, and you can close your eyes and imagine it.
It goes from the designer's brain through his arm to his hand, and it creates something that is awe-inspiring.
1 millimeter here, 2 millimeters there, bringing the vehicle together.
What does this want to be? Fierce, slick, heroic.
We want to create interiors that are profound.
New materials, materials that have purpose, things that are inspired by textures from the earth, such as pumice stones, refined rock.
When someone sees the Ram Revolution, they know that we are thinking about the future.
We had a lot of freedom to think about the future. The Ram Revolution truly shows the potential of what's to come.
About how much more a truck could be.
The purpose is to reimagine the future of pickup trucks.
That opens up a whole new world.
Ram is always trying to outdo itself.
Creating the Ram Revolution concept is really showing where we're headed. It should give people goosebumps.